Hello student, good morning. In the today's session, we see how to find the area of circle as well as circumference of the circle by using C program. For that purpose, first we know what is the formula for calculating the area of circle. That formula is like this: area of circle equals to pi into radius. Means we take the input as radius and calculate the value of area of circle. For that purpose, pi is the value, that is a fixed value, okay, that is 3.14 or 22 by 7. That value will be defined fixed throughout the program. Means by using a constant variable declaration, we define the pi value as a constant. For the declaration of constant, we already see in the previous lecture how to define a constant. It can be defined by using two way. By using first way, that is hash define preprocessor, or the second use of define the constant variable by using const keyword. Here we are use the first way to define a constant variable by using preprocessor. Okay, so according to this formula, we have to calculate the area, and for the circumference of the circle, formula is 2 into pi into r. Okay, means we have to find out the circumference by again taking the input of a radius. So in this program, we take the radius as a input. After that, taking the input as a radius, we use the formula and print the value of that area and circumference for checking the output. For that purpose, we first declare the header file. After declaration of header file, we are assigning the constant value to the pi variable by using the hash define preprocessor directive. So we can define the constant variable by using this way. Hash is the symbol, then define will be the constant directive for declaration of constant variable, then give the name of variable. Always remember, your constant variable can be always written in a uppercase letter. So define the pi variable name, that is pi, and then assign the value to that constant variable which is defined throughout the program, that is 3.14. After the declaration of constant variable, declare the main function. Into that main function, first which input will be taken, that input variable will be declared. Input will be taken as a radius having the decimal type, that's why declare the data type as a integer. Then after the calculation of area and circumference, that will be stored in specific variable. For that purpose, declare two variable. First one is area and second one is circumference. Circumference साठी circum नावाचा variable declared केला. Here we are using 3.14 value, means that is floating point value. That's why we are storing the result again floating point data type, that is float data type. Now after declaration of variable, access the value of radius. For that purpose, we have to display one message on the output screen by using formatted output function, that is printf function. After that, read that value by using formatted output input function, that is scanf function. As we know how to write down the scanf function, according to that ways access the input of radius. After taking the value of radius, use the formula for calculating the area of circle. As already we discussed, the formula of area of circle is pi into r square. So pi into r value is nothing but a radius variable value that will be stored in radius variable. So multiply radius two times for calculating the r square. After that, print the result of area by using formatted output function. Then circumference calculate by using formula 2 pi r, and again display the circumference value by using printf function. According to this way, we have to return the program in the C for calculating the area of circle as well as circumference of the circle. Now we run the program for showing the output. Now take the input, which input will be given in the program, that is radius. So assign the value of radius as a 3. Run, output will be displayed in front of you. Calculate it. 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 into 3.14, that is 28.26. That is the actual output of the given program. Okay. According to this way, we find the area of circle and circumference of the circle in this session. Okay. Thank you.